So in the last video we were like a bit confused about the hyperlink reference which redirects to the content in the same page. So I found out the solution, which is actually like a very stupid thing because I did a silly mistake, and this thing is not href, actually it is id. It doesn't make sense to be an href, right? So now let's save it, go here. I actually added some text about YouTube as well, and I actually did that 2 times so that I got some text to scroll down, and then yeah, I did that. So refresh this. Now if I actually click the Google's mission, it takes me to here. So that's an href regarding the content in the same page. Another href which I actually just found out some 2-3 minutes ago, I actually remembered that just now, is the mailto href. So suppose you want to give your email ID but not actually as it is in text. Suppose like I'll actually clear this whole mess from here to yeah. So I'll clear this mess out, and then I'll say that my email ID is here, and I'll make this here tag kind of thing. Yeah, so I'll make an href tag here, and close this quickly. And what is inside this href tag is my email ID, which is not going to be shown to the user actually. So my email ID, I won't put it, so I'll just put it like example @hi.com, something like that. And then what actually you need to do is you need to add a keyword which is like mailto semicolon and then space. So this actually says that this is an email ID. So let's save this, go to here, refresh this, and if I click on this, it should actually open my default email browser, which is default as Outlook in all Windows. Actually many of the users don't use Outlook, so a best way to show your email ID is just like redirecting to gmail.com along with your email ID shown in the website. So what is this? Yes, so that's the href. Thank you. Okay, sorry actually for this video because I didn't have a clear understanding of the last video. That's an apologizing from my side, and thank you also for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe.